I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today, we are building and playing with Lego. But before we begin, can you like and subscribe to our channel? Have you done it yet? Great work! Let's go! Lego! Today, we're building one of these cool mini sets from the 11021 90 Years of Play, a commemorative Lego classic set that celebrates 90 years of play. That includes 15 mini models of some of Lego's most iconic sets. And in this video, the mini model we're making is an icon that needs no further introduction. A mini version of 928 Galaxy Explorer from 1979. Time to build the Galaxy Explorer. We've got our base. Add it to the back there. And then we add, what are going to be the wings, I believe. Okay. It helps if you make sound effects while you make the Galactic Explorer. Welcome to my Galaxy voice. These are my Galaxy sound effects. Ooh, what do you think this is? All right, okay. Now we're adding more of the wings. Build it up, build it up. I really like the yellow color. Look, you can kind of see through it, but you can't. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Yellow's a pretty cool color. Yellow and purple. And then we build it even higher. Oh, I see what's happening, because then we put it on the side. Oh, yes, very cool, very cool. I was thinking, what's going on here? But you add these on the back here as the rockets. So then, look how cool this is. You can see the yellow bit from the other side. But as we just learned, it goes this way. Oh, flying through space in this would be so much fun. For more Unbox and Play videos, be sure to hit the link down below and remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, see ya!